In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete Trello boards. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting a board in Trello is permanent. Once it's gone, all its lists, cards, comments, and activity history are removed and can't be restored. If there's even a small chance, you'll need the information later. Consider saving a copy of key details first. Download important attachments, copy critical text into a document, or export data if that's available on your plan. With that in mind, let's proceed carefully. To delete a board, you'll first go to the place where Trello keeps boards that have already been closed. Look for the option labeled View Closed Boards. You'll typically find this in the workspace area where your boards live. Open the Workspace's Boards view and scroll to the bottom, or check the menu options until you see the link for Closed Boards. Make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you work across multiple teams, so you don't accidentally delete something from the wrong place. When you click View Closed Boards, Trello will show a list of boards that were previously closed. Only closed boards appear here, which is why this page is the starting point for deletion. Once you're looking at the list of closed boards, find the specific board you want to remove. Next to each board, you'll see options that include Delete. Click on Delete for the board you no longer need. Trello will usually prompt you to confirm just to make sure you understand that this action can't be undone. Read that confirmation message carefully, and if you're certain, confirm the deletion. After that, the board is permanently removed from Trello, and no one in the workspace will be able to access it anymore. If you don't see the delete option, a few things could be happening. You might not have the right permissions. Typically, only a board admin can delete a board, so you may need to ask an admin to perform the deletion. Also, if the board isn't listed, it might not be caused yet, or you might be viewing the wrong workspace's closed boards. To recap, the process is straightforward. Open the closed boards view in your workspace, then click Delete on the specific board and confirm. Take a moment before confirming to ensure you've captured any information you might need later. That way, you keep your Trello workspace clean and organized without losing something important by mistake.